how is ILL, Indian Immunologicals, navigating through this transition to more complex areas, and how do you think the ecosystem can gear up to support a kind of a leadership position again in this high technology, high intensive areas?
We are very fortunate to be living in a developing country like India, where whether it be an animal vaccine or a human vaccine, majority of the procurement is done by the government. So this value should not be purely considered in monetary terms. It should be based on the impact that a product creates. So in India, because government procures majority of the vaccines and provides free to our citizens, still it will be affordability will be a very, very important parameter. And in terms of how the vaccine world has changed post-COVID, I mean, if you see the number of pharmaceutical companies in Hyderabad or probably in India, there are several thousands. But if you see the number of vaccine companies in India who are seriously into business, there are only 8 companies in India. And two main reasons why this is so is vaccine requires a lot of capital investment, and also the regulatory procedures for approval are also very, very long. So to sustain this, it requires a lot of investment also and also a lot of patience. Now, having said that, a lot of changes are happening, especially COVID gave an opportunity for many, many technologies which were just developed at the university levels but were always kept on the shelves. But COVID gave a great opportunity to bring them all, especially vaccines which used mRNA and also the adenoviral vector vaccines. See, we as an organization, I mean, we have been in Hyderabad since 1982. As a company which has made both animal and human vaccines, we are the single largest contributor to India achieving self-sufficiency in the field of vaccines. Now, what would be the future like? Now, with newer technologies and also newer mechanisms of delivery, this game is going to change. One is, there is a lot of emphasis on mRNA vaccines, which got introduced as a part of the COVID, which gives you tremendous speed to develop. And it also doesn't require huge capital investment. And so what this would do is it would allow many players to come into this space. And currently the mRNA vaccines are prohibitively expensive because of the technology at the present state. But as months and years come by, I'm sure, because there are now self-amplifying mRNA, which the dose required is 1/10 of what is required at the present moment. So that will significantly reduce the cost.